Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best aprons. So let's get started. Number 7. Outset Leather Barbecue Apron. Outset's barbecue apron, which got great reviews from Amazon customers, has a suede exterior with a flame-retardant liner to keep you protected while you're at the grill. There are 2 front pockets, so you can have your tools at the ready. However, if you'd prefer a non-leather option, Williams-Sonoma has grilling aprons for both adults and kids, with 3 pockets and a towel loop to boot. They're made with heavyweight cotton and have an acrylic coating to resist moisture and stains. Number 6. Chef Works Women's Berkeley Petite Bib Apron. Susan Choi, a chef and owner of Mr. Susan Cocktail Bar in Berlin, tends to stock up on kitchen goods while back home in the United States. That includes her preferred aprons from Chef Works. "I love the Berkeley bib aprons with a crossback with suspenders," she says. "First, the tailoring just makes you look good, slick, and put together. Second, the suspenders are amazing, versus having something hanging off your neck." This denim and red one is her current favorite. Number 5. Chef Works Men's Berkeley Waist Apron. For mixing and stirring drinks, Choi prefers this shorter Chef Works apron that keeps her from looking overdressed for the task of bartending. "I like the bib version for the prepping and cooking," Choi says, "and the waist one for behind the bar," noting that you can also change out the waist ties. Number 4. Muji Cotton Denim Cook's Apron. For a cheaper alternative, Von Oswald recommends this denim cotton Muji apron. Like many of the chef's preferences, it has shoulder straps rather than an annoying neck loop. Number 3. Travail Bib Chef Apron. And Cortland's affordable alternative to his favorite from Blue Cut is from Bragard. "They're not one of those TV appearance aprons," he says, "but they look nice." He adds that they're intended for everyday use and he's found them to be well made. Number 2. Hedley & Bennett American Made Apron. For the snazziest of aprons, one name came up 3 times: Hedley & Bennett. "If you interview chefs, I guarantee this will be the top pick," Caesar said, correctly. He lists them as his 3rd favorite apron, but only because of the price point. Shanti Church, co-owner of Tallulah's Pizza in Asbury Park, New Jersey, tells me she gets all of her restaurant's aprons from Vlad, a local denim worker. But for something more widely available, she also recommends Hedley & Bennett aprons. Number 1. Chef Works Rockford Bib Apron. This apron offers full body coverage in a heavy-duty, plain-woven durable fabric that can handle any kind of kitchen disaster. Great for grilling, this apron looks professional and includes multiple pockets, so you can be hands-free while you're cooking up your favorite meal.